25 is finally here and you can build your dream life by working online. Ditch the 9-to-5 grind, be your own boss, and work from anywhere you desire. You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of money to get started on this journey. The internet is a goldmine of opportunity, and today I'll show you how to tap into it effectively. Proven strategies anyone can use to start making money online, even from scratch, with no experience. Whether you're a student, laid off, or tired of the rat race, this video is definitely for you. Ready to take control of your financial future? Smash that like button, and let's dive right in. Why is 2025 so special for making money online? The internet has evolved significantly over the past few years, and 2025 marks a pivotal moment in this evolution. We're talking about real, sustainable ways to generate income online. The digital landscape is more fertile than ever, offering countless opportunities for those willing to dive in. The gig economy is exploding. More people are turning to freelancing as a viable career option, and the numbers are only going up. Companies are embracing remote work, creating demand for freelancers. This shift means more opportunities for you to find work that fits your skills and lifestyle. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn make it easier to connect with clients. E-commerce is booming, and these platforms are the gateways to a world of opportunities. Setting up an online store is easier than ever with platforms like Shopify. You can start selling products with just a few clicks, reaching a global audience from the comfort of your home. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. This means lower risk and higher flexibility, making it an attractive option for new entrepreneurs. AI is creating new opportunities. From automating tasks to providing insights, AI tools can help you work smarter, not harder. Learn basic AI skills for high-paying gigs. Even a foundational understanding of AI can set you apart in the job market, opening doors to lucrative projects. Content creation on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offers incredible opportunities. Whether you're into vlogging, tutorials, or entertainment, there's a niche for you. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and selling your own products or services. The potential for income is vast, and the tools to get started are at your fingertips. 2025 is the year of online opportunity. The convergence of technology, market demand, and accessible platforms makes it the perfect time to start. The tools and resources are available, and the global market is hungry for what you offer. With the right strategy, you can tap into this demand and build a successful online business. The earning potential is massive. As more people shop online and businesses seek digital solutions, your opportunities to make money grow exponentially. If you've been on the fence about starting your online journey, now is the time. The conditions are ideal, and the barriers to entry are lower than ever. Take that leap of faith and see where it takes you. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards can be life-changing. The future is bright for online income. With determination and the right tools, you can achieve financial freedom and create a thriving online presence. Let's dive into freelancing. Selling your skills directly to clients. Freelancing allows you to take control of your career and work on your own terms. Work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose projects that interest you. Identify your skills. This freedom is one of the biggest advantages of freelancing. What are you good at? Take some time to reflect on your strengths and passions. Writing, graphic design, web development, etc. There are countless skills that can be monetized in the freelance market. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. This is your chance to impress potential clients. If you're starting out, create sample projects. These can demonstrate your capabilities even if you haven't had paying clients yet. Sign up for freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms connect you with clients looking for your skills. Highlight your skills, experience, and what makes you unique in your profiles. A well-crafted profile can make a significant difference. When starting out, you might not charge top dollar. It's important to build your portfolio and reputation first. Build your portfolio and reputation. Over time, you can increase your rates as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Deliver high-quality work and exceed client expectations. This will lead to repeat business and referrals. Niche down and specialize in a specific area to attract clients. Specialization can set you apart from the competition. Communication is key. Respond promptly, be clear about rates and deadlines, and over-deliver. Good communication builds trust and reliability. Build strong relationships with clients for repeat business and referrals. Happy clients are your best marketing tool. Freelancing offers a flexible, fulfilling career on your own terms. You can balance work with personal life more effectively. Take the leap and put yourself out there. The first step is always the hardest, but it's worth it. Opportunities will come your way. As you build your reputation, more clients will seek you out. Freelancing is a fantastic way to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind. It offers the freedom to work in environments that inspire you. Build a flexible, fulfilling career on your own terms. Plan your schedule to fit your lifestyle, so take the leap, put yourself out there, and you'll be amazed at the opportunities that come your way. Networking and continuous learning are crucial. Freelancing is your ticket to a flexible, fulfilling career. Embrace the journey and enjoy the freedom it brings. Build your online empire through e-commerce. The digital age has made it easier than ever to start your own business from the comfort of your home. Reach a global audience and sell products from home. With the right strategy, you can tap into markets all over the world, breaking geographical barriers. Figure out what you want to sell. This is the foundation of your online store. Consider your interests, market demand, and potential profitability. Dropshipping is a beginner-friendly option. It allows you to start without the need for large upfront investments in inventory. Partner with a supplier who handles inventory and shipping. This way, you can focus on marketing and customer service. Create a storefront, list products, and the supplier ships directly to customers. This seamless process ensures that you can scale your business efficiently. Platforms like Shopify make setting up your store easy. They offer user-friendly interfaces and a variety of tools to help you get started quickly. Use customizable templates, payment gateways, and marketing tools. Marketing is key. A well-designed store can attract and retain customers. Use social media to drive traffic to your store. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are powerful tools for reaching potential customers. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, and partner with influencers. Content marketing is powerful. It helps build trust and authority in your niche. Create blog posts, videos, or podcasts. These forms of content can drive organic traffic to your store and improve your search engine rankings. Establish yourself as an authority in your niche and drive traffic to your store. Consistent, high-quality content can set you apart from competitors. Email marketing is also effective. It allows you to reach customers directly and keep them informed about new products and promotions. Collect email addresses and promote products. Building an email list is a valuable asset for any online store. Focus on a specific niche to target your marketing efforts. Specializing in a niche can help you stand out and attract a dedicated customer base. Starting an online store is scalable. As your business grows, you can expand your product range and reach new markets. Add new products and expand into new markets. Diversifying your offerings can help you capture a larger share of the market. Watch your business grow exponentially. With the right strategies, your online store can become a significant source of income. E-commerce offers a scalable way to make money online. The potential for growth is immense and the opportunities are endless. Once you have a system in place, you can continue to add new products. Innovation and adaptation are key to staying relevant. Expand into new markets and watch your business grow. Stay ahead of trends and continuously seek new opportunities. Start your online store today and build your online empire. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step now. Content creation is an exciting and lucrative way to make money online. Choose your platform: TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube, or podcasts. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? Gaming, finance, fitness, etc. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Consistency is key. Establish a regular posting schedule. Monetize through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Recommend products or services you use and love. Earn a commission on sales made through your affiliate link. Sell your own products or services, ebooks, courses, merchandise, etc. Content creation is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and creativity. Build a successful business around your passion. Reach millions of people around the world. Content creation offers incredible opportunities. Build a loyal following and monetize your passion. Choose a platform that aligns with your strengths and interests. Create content that resonates with your audience. Monetize through various channels and build a successful business. Content creation is your ticket to a lucrative online career. Start creating today and build your brand. Affiliate marketing is a passive and lucrative way to make money online. Earn commissions by recommending products or services you love. Partner with companies offering affiliate programs. Promote their products on your website, social media, or other channels. Earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. Find affiliate programs that align with your niche and audience. Promote your links through various channels. Provide value to your audience with honest opinions and helpful reviews. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links. Choose products you genuinely believe in. Build long-term relationships with your audience. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to monetize your audience. Turn your passion into a profitable business. Start earning while you sleep with affiliate marketing. Share your knowledge and make money by teaching or tutoring online. The demand for online education is growing. Teach English as a foreign language on platforms like italki or Verbling. Create and sell online courses on Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific. Offer one-on-one tutoring services through platforms like TutorMe or Chegg. Create a structured learning environment with clear objectives and regular feedback. Use technology to keep students engaged with interactive elements. Market your services through a professional website or social media. Join online communities related to your subject matter. Teaching or tutoring online is rewarding and flexible. Make a difference in the lives of others while earning income. Start sharing your knowledge and earning today. 6 proven ways to make money online in 2025. Whether for extra cash or a full-time income, the opportunities are endless. Take action. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Choose a method, do your research, and start building your online empire. Success takes time, effort, and consistency. The future of work is online. Go out there and make it happen. Start your online journey today and achieve your dreams.